He just wanted to make an honest living, but then this happened. This doorbell camera captured a sad moment when a pizza delivery driver came up to this house just doing his job. As he knocked on the homeowner's door, a man came up to him and tried to intimidate him by saying this.
I gotta get the money first.
I know. Let me see. I'm not doing that.
I gotta get the money first.
Get a pizza.
2 cat pizzas.
The man not only ran away with the pizza, but his accomplice in the back also took a few valuables, including the cell phone from the car. Heartbroken, the driver gave up hope and went back to his car.